This little hiccup tool has been such a lifesaver for me. I get the hiccups all the time, like the really painful kind that like make your whole abdomen and everything like contract, and it is just so painful, and nothing I seem to do makes them go away except using this. I recommend it to everyone I know. It is called HICCAWAY, and it has 2 settings. You can just take this little thing off and rotate it to the child side if you need. So the way that it works is you take this little thing, you submerge the base of it in water, and you suck through this tube like it's a straw, and it is like it takes a lot of like suction to suck through it, but you drink water through this like a straw, and I do like 3 or 4 sips right in a row, and then after that you literally, your hiccups are just gone. And see, then like the excess water is dripping out of there, or you can have it go like that. But I swear it gets my hiccups to go away immediately every single time for me. And I hadn't had hiccups in a while, had them again yesterday, and after like 30 minutes I was like, oh my gosh, I have that hiccup tool, I need to go get it. It is the best thing ever, the only thing that makes my hiccups go away, and I will never be without this thing. I literally travel with it to make sure I'm never without it, because it makes such a difference.